We're living in a time of great change and great challenges. The human population has grown by over 75 million in the past year, and the increase is greater each year. There is an enormous challenge to provide safe drinking water, and an enormous challenge to purify the wastewater generated by the world's ever-expanding human population.
How can we meet these challenges?
One company stands above the rest in creating the technologies and the products needed to solve these challenges.
My name is David Koch, and I'm the president of Koch Membrane Systems. For almost 40 years, KMS has been a leader in developing new membrane technology for liquid filtration in many different industries. Over the years, we have grown to a size approaching $100 million per year in sales and 500 employees. In the mid-1990s, we identified water and wastewater treatment as a key growth area and invested accordingly, both through in-house research and development and through acquisition. KMS has a long history of providing innovative and highly economical products for water and wastewater treatment. For example, we recently introduced the Mega Magnum reverse osmosis element, which significantly reduces the cost of providing purified, desalinated water. Our hollow fiber ultrafiltration membranes, developed some years ago, treat raw water to provide safe drinking water and are also used to polish industrial wastewater for reuse. KMS's well-proven tubular membranes are the membranes of choice for many challenging industrial wastewater applications. Since the 1970s, our tubular modules have been used in membrane bioreactors, or MBRs, to treat domestic waste from schools, office buildings, and shopping malls. We've also supplied tubular MBR membranes for landfill leachate treatment. To meet this need, in late 2004, KMS acquired Puron, a young company based in Aachen, Germany. Puron was founded in 2001 by engineers associated with the University of Aachen, which is known for its development of membrane technology. In Puron, we found a company that has huge synergies with KMS. The Puron technology is outstanding. It uses a submerged hollow fiber membrane module whose design is protected by a large number of worldwide patents. I believe it offers major advantages over other products in the market today. As will be explained in the film which follows, the Puron single header module design is much less subject to plugging and fiber breakage and uses far less energy than the double header designs. It is a proven concept with many commercial systems operating successfully. With the Puron MBR product for wastewater treatment, the Mega Magnum RO element for saltwater desalination, and a hollow fiber ultrafiltration cartridge for raw water purification, KMS is the only filtration company in the world with a full range of membrane products for municipal and industrial water and wastewater treatment needs. Our sales force is fully trained to discuss the performance of all of these products. We hope that you will enjoy this film, which explains the many benefits of the Puron technology and shows why we believe it is certainly the most advanced and economical technology for purifying municipal and industrial wastewater.
Wastewater treatment needs are enormous.
Wastewater treatment will play an incredibly important role in accommodating future water demand. Conventional wastewater treatment consists of 3 steps: primary treatment, biological treatment, and solids-liquid separation. The crucial part of the process is the solids-liquid separation. With a conventional sedimentation process, there is often insufficient removal of bacteria and suspended solids. For example, in 1 liter of typical secondary effluent, there are 10 million bacteria, which can be difficult to remove.
The solution is here.
Membrane technology has led to a new revolutionary concept in wastewater treatment. Membranes act as a barrier to bacteria and suspended solids to produce a low turbidity water with very low bacteria counts. Membrane bioreactors, simply called MBRs, offer the optimum solution. The membrane modules are submerged in the activated sludge to combine the biological step and the solids-liquid separation into a single process. Since the membrane acts as a barrier, this improves the effluent quality. Also, the membrane barrier eliminates the secondary clarifier and allows the activated sludge to be more concentrated. This reduces the volume requirement for biological tanks, thus saving space and money. When compared to conventional wastewater treatment, it's clear that MBR treatment is far superior. Due to the tough environment in which the membranes are operated, membrane module design is of the utmost importance for successful operation of the MBR. The membranes extract clean water from the sludge, leading to dewatering of the activated sludge around the membrane module. This concentrates the solids surrounding the module and can lead to plugging of the module. An important feature of a good MBR system is a reliable method of flushing the solid matter out of the module to avoid clogging and sludging problems. Additionally, the module design needs to be able to handle hairs and fibrous material.
The Puron MBR solution. Naturally.
The Puron MBR technology consists of hollow fiber membranes arranged in bundles. After biological treatment, the treated water passes from the outside of the fibers to the inside. The membrane, with a pore size of approximately 0.05 micron, provides a barrier to suspended solids, including bacteria. The fibers are fixed only at the bottom and can move freely along their entire length. The top ends of the fibers are sealed. During normal operation, a vacuum is applied to the bottom of the bundles and water is sucked through the wall of the membrane. The solids remain on the outside of the module and clean water is drawn out through the inside of the hollow fibers into a single header. Aeration at the center of each bundle ensures that all solids, such as hairs, fibrous material, and sludge, are flushed out of the module.
Puron MBR technology solves the problem of clogging.
Hairs and fibrous material can be a big problem for other MBR designs, especially for hollow fiber modules that use a double header design. Double header modules have a serious disadvantage in comparison with the Puron design. When hairs and fibrous material within the sludge enter the membrane module, they float to the top due to the air scouring. The upper header acts like a barrier or screen, leading to clogging. This reduces available membrane filtration area, which affects system performance. Additionally, the clogging leads to higher mechanical stress on the membranes, which causes damage and will shorten membrane life. To minimize these issues, double header products require very fine pre-screening, leading to higher capital and operating costs. Puron technology provides a simple solution. It's the single header design. The Puron single header allows hairs, sludge, and fibrous material to be easily removed from the top of the module by simple intermittent air scouring, eliminating the risk of clogging.
What about sludging problems?
Another issue with many MBR modules is sludging. Sludging occurs in dead zones where the air does not reach the membranes. This is often the case for double header modules, as they mostly supply the air from below the bottom header. When the air is supplied below the bottom header, much of the air bubbles around the outside of the membrane module and does not reach the interior fibers of the module. This allows sludge to settle, leading to fouling and sludging of the module. A unique way to combat this issue is the central aeration system of the Puron technology. Central aeration injects the air in the middle of the fiber bundles, right where it is needed to avoid sludging. In summary, the unique single header and central aeration in Puron modules patented by KMS allow for reliable, trouble-free operation. The individual fiber bundles are incorporated into a simple modular design to create the full-scale membrane module. The bundles are arranged in rows, with the bottom headers being connected together. Several rows are then mounted in a stainless steel frame to create the module. The Puron modules can be submerged right into the biological treatment tank below the liquid level, or they can be placed in a separate membrane tank. The advantage of a separate membrane tank is that the biological process and the membrane process can be optimized individually. The mixed liquor is recirculated back from the membrane chamber to the aerobic or anoxic zones of the biological process. At the municipal wastewater treatment plant in Simmerath, Germany, a Puron MBR system has been in operation since 2003. The system performance is excellent, and the membranes are still in perfect condition. It's easy to see that the Puron MBR technology has many advantages.
High effluent quality.
Puron MBR effluent is very high quality and meets strict discharge regulations and can be reused for industrial applications, irrigation, or even as a step in a potable reuse scheme.
Small footprint.
Puron MBR systems need only about half the footprint of a conventional wastewater treatment plant. This provides a great capital cost savings, whether for a plant upgrade, a plant expansion, or for a new plant. The capacity of an existing plant, for example, can be increased without requiring additional footprint.
Long membrane life.
The Puron hollow fiber membranes are reinforced with a multitude of very fine, solid fibers woven into a hollow tubular configuration. The membrane is then cast onto this structure, which makes the membrane extremely strong and gives it a very long membrane life. Automotive tires are reinforced in a similar manner to give them the extraordinary strength and lifetime that they enjoy.
Low energy consumption.
Central aeration optimizes air usage by putting the air where it is needed. This dramatically lowers the energy needed for air scouring by as much as 25 to 50% of the energy required for other MBR modules.
High and stable flux.
The Puron single header design results in reliable operation at high and stable flux rates.
Simple pre-screening.
Simple pre-screening reduces investment costs. The Puron single header design and central aeration allows for selection of economical types of pre-screen.
The best choice for any MBR application.
Puron MBR modules are the best choice in any MBR application. They are available in standard sizes of 235 square meters and 500 square meters, or can be customized to retrofit any existing conventional system. If a customer is dissatisfied with his existing MBR modules, the improved Puron design can also be used to retrofit earlier generation double header systems to improve operating costs and reliability. Successful MBR operation not only relies on module design, but also on system design and operational concepts. KMS therefore not only offers Puron MBR membrane modules, but also associated components and a complete engineering package for the design and construction of an MBR system. If pilot testing is required, one of KMS's many high-quality, fully instrumented, fully automated pilot units is available for rental.
MBR is used in many industries.
MBR is not only used for municipal wastewater, it is used in many industries. Puron MBR solves many problems in industry, especially where large amounts of water are used and reuse is required, or where space is limited. For example, the Sobelgra Malting Company in Belgium needed to double production, but they did not have the space to double conventional wastewater treatment. The installed MBR system treats 2,000 cubic meters per day with 16 Puron modules, a total of 8,000 square meters of membrane area. This Puron MBR was commissioned in November 2004. Not only did the Puron MBR system meet production needs, but produced water that was over 10 times better than the effluent produced with the old conventional plant.
MBR passes stringent regulations.
There is a tremendous need for the Puron MBR technology. The need to treat wastewater to protect our freshwater supply and to recover water for reuse grows daily. Puron MBR technology from Koch Membrane Systems is here to help you solve all your wastewater treatment challenges. Koch Membrane Systems has sales and service offices worldwide to support MBR applications.
Puron MBR technology. The solution is here.